everybody, it's Cassia Jones, aka Jonesy. Welcome back to Live and Date in LA. So let's jump right into this tutorial because you know I do not like to waste y'all time. I am going to be blow drying my hair using the tension method. So I am starting off on freshly washed hair and I wanted y'all to see what my hair looks like with absolutely no product in it. So I'm going to follow up with my tea tree and lemon sage conditioner. I use the tea tree shampoo. If you are not familiar with my channel or I'm just now watching for the first time, this is my favorite shampoo. It's tea tree, it's mint, it's lemon, it's sage. It's absolutely amazing and gets all that buildup and dirt out of your hair. So I'm going to follow up now with my conditioner, which I'm going to rub all over my hair, and then I am going to use this as a deep conditioner. It's not labeled as a deep conditioner, but y'all, any conditioner can become a deep conditioner if you leave it on your hair long enough. Am I right? So I'm just going to make sure that I get this all over my strands, coat them really well. I'm going to apply my shower caps. I had to use 2 because your girl's hair is flourishing. So I'm going to apply these 2 shower caps, not to mention they're the cheap kind from the 99-cent store. So, you know, you can't just use one. Okay, I'm going to deep condition for 1 hour, so I'll see you back.
1 hour later.
Okay, so I've rinsed my conditioner out of my hair and I'm going to go in with my Shea 44 Iron Guard Heat Protectant Spray and Moisturizer. I really love this, and although we're not flat ironing our hair today, we still want to protect it from the heat, even though we're going to be blow drying on a medium setting. You want to protect those curls all the time. Then I'm going to follow up with this really weightless oil. I love it. It's a mix of argan oil and shea butter, and it's a moisture restore weightless oil by Organix. I absolutely love it and it smells really good. It protects your hair. It's awesome. So I'm going to section off my hair and I'm going to start in the back of my hair. I start with smaller sections again because my hair is so thick, and I'm going to blow dry the back, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did it using the tension method. Woo, child. Okay, so I have got through the back of my hair, and as you can see, I'm just going to put that away using a regular ponytail holder so I can move on and show you guys exactly how I did the tension method on the front of my hair. So what I'm going to do now is spray my hair with a little bit of water because I noticed that my hair had dried out. My hair dries very quickly, so I just wanted to rehydrate with a little bit of water so it would be easier for me to manipulate and to comb out using my wide tooth comb. So what you want to do is make sure that you're grabbing your hair by the ends, not by the roots, but by the ends. You want to hold your hair taut, and you want to move the blow dryer up and down from end to root, root to end. I like to go in and just go back with my wide tooth comb before I use the paddle brush because I just want to make sure that I get all the kinks out first. So I'm going to go in with my paddle brush, and as you can see, because my hair is so thick, I have to stop at times and then reposition the paddle brush before I go all the way through. The point is to not just go ahead and force the brush through your hair. You want to make sure that you are doing this in smooth strokes because you don't want to pull out your hair. The reason why we're doing this is because it's such a really great way to protect your hair from the comb attachment that we usually use attached to our blow dryer. Woo, child, thank you, Jesus. Okay, I'm almost done, but y'all, I need to pep myself up right now, okay? My arms are sore, my shoulders are hurting. This hair is thick and is no joke. That's why I do not blow dry it very much. But I'm gonna pump myself up, do a little Rocky style Creed, Michael B. Jordan, pump myself up, and let's get back to it. So I'm spraying this section of my hair with a little bit of water because it dried out and the product had soaked up really quickly because, like I said, my hair dries very fast. So I'm going to add some more of the weightless oil. I am doing this again because this section of my hair had completely dried, and I'm going to comb this out using my wide tooth comb first before I go in with the tension method, and I wouldn't be able to get that comb through this hair unless I used a little bit of water and a little bit more oil so that I can easily manipulate the section. So I'm going to start from the bottom of our hair. Remember, you start from the ends and then you work your way up. Don't force the comb through. Just go section by section and you'll be able to comb all the way through. So now I'm going to go in with my dryer on medium, and I am going to hold my hair tautly by the ends of my hair, and I'm going to move the blow dryer up and down the hair shafts. It's super easy and a really great way to minimize breakage. I don't know about y'all, but I get a lot of breakage when I use the comb attachment on my blow dryer, and sometimes I don't have 2-3 days to wait to stretch out my hair for it to dry, then go back in and stretch it out and do all that. You want something that you could do and have a blowed out style right then and there. The tension method is a really great way to do that. This is my first time actually doing the tension method, and I really like it. I've also done it 2 times since I've done this the first time. So what I like to do is make sure that the strands are smoothed out, so I go back in with my comb before I pick up my paddle brush. So when you use your paddle brush, make sure that you guys brush through your hair before you start with the blow dryer, because again, you want this to be a smooth transition for the paddle brush and the blow dryer. And don't force it through. If you have to reposition, stop, reposition, and go back through again. Yes, thank you, Black Jesus. We are done. So I wanted to go in with my brush all around my head and just make sure that I had gotten everything dry and I was able to get that brush through each section to make sure that my strands were as smooth as they were going to be. I love the tension method. As I said, this was my first time doing this. I've been seeing everybody doing it, and I really wanted to use an alternative method of having my hair being in its blow dried state without using the comb attachment that comes with the blow dryer, because I do have a lot of breakage when I use that. So here is my hair in its blow dried state using the tension method. If I can do it, y'all can do it too. I really hope that this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave any questions or comments below, and I love video suggestions. Please feel free to leave me some. Head on over to my Instagram at @toliveanddate in LA and my blog toliveanddate.co. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day.